caught up on it myself. So I think we should just move on to the next subject. And next Tuesday, well, when I'm on with Dan on Thursday or Dan on Friday, I can double back on it. Like you said, I think a lot of it just came out in the last couple of days, and I was enjoying myself. Birthday, Father's Day, smoking a little Cal yesterday, so
Cows are in trouble everywhere, is what I'm hearing.
I cannot act like Joe and spew out things that I don't know what I'm talking about on the radio when it comes to sports.
You'll learn how to do that. That's a lie, but you can learn it. All right, here's something. How about, what is the importance of these playground workouts that the Colts are going to have between now and July the 22nd when the rookies are supposed to report? How important are those things going to be?
Well, actually, as far as the whole workouts, you talking about the workouts that Philip Rivers is organizing?
Yeah, because we're hearing, I don't know, who was that, Jeff, that came out with an article thing that the Lakers are doing this that is illegal?
Something up in the CBS HQ said that it's against the rules of cheating. To me, if you're not together with some of your teammates when you can during this time, you're probably not doing your job.
Well, actually, I will say this, though. After you got the football player, I think one of the football players in Tennessee tested positive for COVID, and so the NFL came out with a statement earlier over the weekend and said it strongly kind of suggested the players do not do these workouts. I think define it, but yeah, come out and do not. They say they should go ahead and isolate and not try to get together and work out. Now it's a matter of are the players going to listen to what came out over the weekend about this, or are they going to say, you know what, we're just going to roll the dice and still get in some new workouts because we have not been together, you know?
Well, and I was assuming that these guys were taking very, that they were being careful, and for Phillip and his receivers, they were just running routes, and that they'd all been isolating before they got together, would be my thought.
Well, yeah, you would hope so. But yeah, I mean, we saw the women's soccer team in Orlando. They're down there, and all of a sudden they're hanging out, going out and kicking in and stuff at the clubs, and now they're not going to take part in the season.
That's what
you
they
would
get.
like to think the players are taking all the precautions necessary and not doing anything to risk their health, risk their teammates' health, risk, other people's health, and they're staying as isolated as possible. I mean, you want everybody to try to stay as isolated as possible, but when you're a professional athlete and you're trying to get geared up to come back, whether it's the NBA, soccer, or the NFL, or, hopefully Major League Baseball, you're going to say, all right, I'm not going to do anything that's going to jeopardize my health and my teammates' health, and then hurt us in the long run in a sport that's trying to get back.
What do you think about the NBA's plans to try and get this playoff thing going? Because they're going to be going to a hot spot at this point. Now, I know they're going to be in a bubble and everything, but your thoughts on some of the guys that won't be participating, reasons for that? I thought Trevor Ariza's was really, really interesting that he'd rather be a parent than a player during this.
We say interesting, you mean interesting in a bad way or interesting?
No, great way. No, what a great example that you would choose actually, the parenting part of this and give up $1.8 million that, might have been part of your salary. I love that aspect of it. Davis Bertrand is saying, I've had a good year. I've had 2 ACL surgeries for health and safety reasons. I'm just not going to be a part of this. So nobody right now with COVID fears, but they have to decide by tomorrow. You follow the NBA game very closely. I just wonder what you think about this whole deal, and does it even make sense for a guy like Victor to not be involved? Because I think you just watch him. I think you restrict him a little bit if you need to, but I certainly would love to see Victor a part of all this.
First of all, I gotta say, I love what Trevor Ariza is doing. Putting the parenting side of things first with this child over trying to play. But I think if you're healthy, you should at least give it a shot to go. And so you said a hotbed of Orlando, man, that's a long field. A lot of it's pouring out of it. Right? It's that hot when it comes to COVID down there.
Yeah, so they probably shouldn't go.
And